How to fix iPhone alarm sound is too low. If your iPhone alarm sound is too low or not loud enough, then here are some fixes to make it louder. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device. Your alarm volume is controlled by the ringer and alerts volume, not the regular media volume. Then all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the sound and haptics. There, under ringer and alerts, you can see the slider appear. Drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. Now, after you increase the volume, simply go back to the home screen and tap on the clock option available there. Look for the clock app and simply tap on it. If the alarm is too quiet or does not sound at all, it might be set to none. Now all you have to do is tap on the alarm, scroll up and tap on the plus icon available there, then tap on the sounds and there simply choose the alarm sound that is louder. Choose a very louder tone, avoid soft ones like silk or slow rise. After you choose one, all you have to do is go back to the settings app on your mobile device. Then inside the settings, go back and tap on the general option available there. Now scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. If the alarm is still too low, resetting settings might help. This won't delete your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi and sound preferences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.